Viking Pump has proudly been manufacturing the world's best positive displacement pumps for over 100 years. While known for pumps, Viking has been supporting its customer base for years with a strong variety of aftermarket programs, helping you improve their applications and grow your businesses. At Viking Pump, aftermarket refers to the many products and services associated with pump installation, protection, and maintenance to ensure you have all the necessary products to meet your customers' needs. Aftermarket starts with replacement parts for all pumps produced by Viking Pump. Full repair kit programs are available to provide convenience to both distributors and customers at greatly reduced prices. The availability of both seal kits and rebuild kits ensures a simple, complete rebuild. Aftermarket also includes pumping accessories, ranging from bases, strainers, reducers, and motors, all built to fit Viking pumps. Reducers are available in an offset series, manufactured by Viking, or an inline series, through an alliance with a few gearbox manufacturers at extremely competitive prices. Motors can also be sourced through Viking, with many options from all the major motor manufacturers at competitive prices, helping you simplify your sourcing needs. Thanks to e-commerce options, motors can be ordered and shipped directly to the location of your choice. Strainers can protect your equipment from catastrophic damage or fine particles that can cause premature wear on parts and equipment on the production line. Many other accessory options like couplings, OSHA guards, bases, and more can be sourced through Viking Pump. The aftermarket program also assists with building pump drive units. Full units like direct drive and large complex reducer drive units can be sourced and built by Viking. Our PDU program includes the base, motor, coupling, OSHA guard, and your Viking pump, all for one price with one part number. With over 100 years of application experience, you can count on Viking Pump for quality and reliability every time. The aftermarket programs are more than just solutions for parts. Viking Pump has the tools to be your one-stop shop for your pumping needs. Aftermarket is the answer to growing and retaining your business.